You're too...
Happy birthday to
What are you doing?
That one blowing candles too.
Okay,
You're gonna...
kanta kami ng happy birthday kasi kahapon di ba wala tayong cake. Kaya pinipicturean niya. Isa niya naman yan sa friend. Sa friend. Pinipicturean niya. Where's the light? Where's the candle? Where's the candle? Give me the candle.
Hey, Mom.
Wait, I'll do it. In the middle, in the middle.
No, do it. She's done. No, that's not the middle.
It's alright. In the middle.
No, right there.
It's alright now, it's alright now.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it, that's it. Okay.
No.
Yeah, it's alright
He's
now.
not doing it.
Wait, I'm gonna get knife first.
Get the knife for me.
Daddy, can I blow it out?
It's on. Oh, you said that. You try? You just turned it off.
Oh, you don't have any. You don't have.
Mom, really? Mom, look. Yeah, look.
You don't have spoon. You don't have spoon
That's it.
there.
Oh, wow. Mom, you missed out. I'll do it again.
No, it's alright
And
now.
I'm doing it after
Oh,
when
no.
everyone blows out.
Okay,
I
let's
just
sing
do
happy birthday to
one.
Daddy.
Happy birthday to
We cannot see you, Dad.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Don't blow it out. I'm gonna do it again.
Hooray!
Hooray!
Wait, let Daddy wish first. What's your wish on?
Dad's
Yay!
whose turn next?
Whose toy is it? No.
Mine. Yeah,
No.
we're gonna blow it too.
Oh my God.
Let me get away. Don't want to.
Oh, who's gonna? You don't have to blow because you're sick. Remember? Not you.
Holy!
That is Kuya. Hurry up.
Let me slide it.
It's alright. You blow it and then.
Hello, Zach.
Okay, that's it. Oh, baby.
Yeah.
You don't have because you're sick.
I'm just a little one.
No, you cannot. When you blow that one, everyone's gonna get
Little.
sick.
I want to show the lighting.
All right, Daddy, you cut the
Let me do one more.
cut your cake.
Press it. Press
All right.
it. Press it.
It's
And
alright.
then let go.
No,
you're having a tripod.
you're not.
Oh, every time I bend,
Okay, can you move the leche flan and sticky day? Sticky day. Okay, Hannah, you have to cut it down.
Like that.
Bottom.
Yeah, not the.
Oh, you have to kiss Holly.
Okay, Mami na. Yeah.
Eat it. Daddy, quick. Dad, quick.
Yeah, you're having ice cream, right?
Oh, neno. Okay, can I get my ice cream?
Gusto nila
Hey,
mag
Zach,
ice cream.
don't put that on the thing. Quick.
And what? And can you get the? Kuya, get the cream please for Daddy.
Feeding me.
Daddy's feeding
No.
you.
Why?
Do you need a fork?
Here, give this, Dad, give this.
And you want this also? That one first, huh?
You won't like it, lover.
Is this passion fruit, sir? Yes, sir.
Look at the. Hindi yung makita mamaya.
Cream.
Try the cake, babe. No, you don't have to put cream on that one, Baba.
I'm having this first and then I'm gonna have the bestie. Wait, so they, I
the
get
cake.
one. So
Soft?
that means
Still
I
warm.
get one of them.
It's still warm?
watermelon ones.
Yung cake warm
Wait,
pa.
Mom, that means I get one of them watermelons one because Holly won't eat.
Sila nag-ano sila?
Lala.
What are you doing,
show
Sa?
some respect, TJ. Come here.
Yeah, you come here. Wow, show respect for your dad. Yung leche flan natin, look at the leche flan, Han, because I got some here, so it looks like very thin.
This one's the best. This one. I
What
got
that?
passion fruit.
Yung dalawa lang kumakain. So, nag-ice cream yung dalawa. Si Kuya hindi mahilig sa leche flan. Etong dalawa ang mahilig sa leche flan. Si Sak mahilig sa biko. Si Kuya wala siyang gusto dito sa dessert.
Watermelon ice cream.
Nice, no?
See watermelon
I don't
ice
like that,
cream
Han.
that TJ having.
The sound of the... Huh?
No, you'll just say when you're listening.
What's next? That one first, Han, the leche flan. Can you push the leche flan here, please?
And the bottom.
Yeah,
Too light, Mum.
No, it's only okay.
You put the bottom.
no? Yeah, not cheap one.
Oh,
Yeah.
that looks pretty good, actually.
I know. No, it looks smooth.
Ew, Chona.
Ew, Chona.
Good? Try? Good?
Now my eyes are going.
Where is it? Can you get, Kuya, can you get some for Holly? Can you get one for Holly, please?
What one?
I don't know what.
Oh, I want watermelon.
Sandwich.
Like that one.
This I don't have.
And grab me a bowl, please, yeah, please.
A bowl. Ah, yeah.
Get it? So yeah, get it.
Bowl
That
na sa
one.
kanya
The
kasi.
strawberry. Get
Next is Biko.
I know what I want to pick.
Holly, strawberry.
No, not that one. The
Biko bowl.
glass one, Kuya. Nice. I think it's good, just like that small. Huh?
Yeah, that's funny.
Yeah, I know. Because if I'm gonna make the big one, my God, we're not gonna finish it. That's it.
I ate all that.
What? This is your dad. You can
What do you
have.
go have some too?
Yeah, that's his favorite.
Just copying me. Bit more.
Bit more?
I'm the one that was the first one to try it out of the cream and stuff, Mum.
There you go.
Yeah.
Welcome. Oh, close the door. It's cold. It's cold. I'm full. Later, I'm gonna eat the cake later.
All of it.
No, not all of it. I'm not gonna finish that.
Okay.
Huh?
What?
Nice. Oi, hurry up and make sure you close the freezer properly and close the door now, please. It's freezing.
I want pink.
Okay, Sak, how about you, Sak? So I can clean the table now.
I want that now.
Okay, get your bowl.
Get my bowl clean.
Who's this?
Nah,
Are you-
nah.
He's not gonna use that.
What?
Because
Because I'm not using other people. I'll just get my own. I'll wash my own.
he's not gonna use, you know, Zachary.
I'm
Even
just
spoon, he don't use my.
Do you use this spoon? Holly. Let's put it on the
One more? Isa pa.
Isa pa?
Isa pa. We're getting the good side and the corner one. Coming, wait. I'll do it,
Guys,
Sa.
this is how the pros got it.
What did you say?
Pros got it?
Pro. Are you a pro?
Yep.
That's not a pro.
How do you do it?
Because you have to cut it so it won't.
I did.
No, you didn't. Here you go. Cream? No
cream,
cream.
Zach. You got a bit of cream.
Well, I want
A bit more. Yeah.
Yeah, a bit more.
That's plenty, mate. You gotta have cream. Zach.
Good. Good.
What are you doing, yeah? Getting the... Kumukuha si Kuya ng watermelon na, yung popsicle yung binili natin nung isang araw.
Mom's to
I
eat
like
it.
this one, Bubba.
Oi, Mom's to eat it because she doesn't like these ones, so I'll just eat
I
it.
already tried. Well, yeah, I like.
Oh, these are good. They're like sour.
Sour?
No, it tastes like
Nice.
sour.
Yeah.
But it's actually good.
After nilang kumain, maghuhugas na.
I know.
Right now, Zachary.
Yeah, slow down, Sak.
That's why.
Need cream?
More?
Oh, bad boy now. Who's a bad boy now?
Hey, slow and enjoy it.
That's right, slow down.
That's right.
No, no. Oh, Mommy.
I know, it's okay, sorry. You haven't
The
enough.
Holly can do this too. I did it. No, there's a way to wear though. What? Mom, I did it. I open my phone.
Okay, good.
Right.
Wow. Zach, slow down, mate.
What's that?
Di ba, ang dami pang tira nating dessert. Hanggang bukas and the next
Yeah.
couple days are dessert. I'm gonna put this over there in the other fridge.
I'll cover it all.
I will cover it.
Thanks, Bob.
Hindi niya ako inawan dito.
Nana!
Ganun lang.
Ah,
Oh,
good boy.
You're done, Zach? Finish your
I'm
cream.
just in case of this.
fresh.
Go.
I
Try
don't
it.
I don't know where that cord is yours. Bloody hell.
Where's my cord, hon?
Record.
Cord for that Christmas light. The long one.
Oh.
Not the baba. Okay. Hugas time.
Blimey, yours.
Mom, go to
Are you
the
having-
charger here.
Ako na.
This one has
This is good. This one now.
Oh, you having some too, Holly girl?
Oh, have a drink. Have a drink first before I drink it.
No, you got get ours. Leave that yours.
You had yours, Hawk. Have a
No,
water
drink
now.
That, mate.
Have a water now, please.
Mama, I had this, that, and then ice cream, and then sticky rice.
Yeah. Chico.
Pico. I forgot.
Mom, is it perfect when you can't feel the shape? Is that
Uh-huh.
Mom, you
Mm.
gotta get ready Friday
Why?
for leaving Saturday.
I'm at Sunday.
That's Ryan's plan. Philippines.
Yeah.
What are those blue year coats?
That's light. Light.
What's that for?
Like you know, when we buy juice, it says no sugar. Like that one. For the Yakult, light only. Oh, you sent the picture, hon.
Don't know.
What he said.
Not sure.
Done?
Thanks, Mommy. No.
You're welcome. Drink water too, please. Drink water.
Oh,
Drink water, Holly.
Mom, watch it. It comes back to me when I do this one. Look.
Yeah, I know that.
I actually got it forward. Look.
Drink water also. Holly, drink water as well, ha?
See, look.
That's alright, Baba. Paghugas guys kasi sinaksak ko muna yung ating Christmas tree. Kulang na lang yung star or yung angel yung ilalagay namin. Umalis si Jam, pumunta siya kay Joe kasi si Joe matagal yung hindi niya nakita kasi Joe busy rin sa work. And tingnan niyo sila, oh. Ayan sila. Si, di ba na si Ryan? Si Holly na yung poste, tagahawak. Yeah. Okay, maghugas na ako.
Mom, watch this.
What?
Holy face it straight.
Okay, go. Hugas time. Nanonood ako yung Eve. Maganda yung Eve, guys. Yung pinapanood ko. Maganda yun. Eto, maganda siya, Eve. Sa drama ko siya pinapanood. Tapos na ako maghugas, guys. Ayan, malinis na dito. Nahugasan ko na lahat ng mga pinaglutuan ko. And, drenay ko na rin yung mga plato. And ito pala yung tira nating kaldereta. Ayan. And yung rice, muntik ng mataob. Ayan na lang yung rice natin, guys. Kunti na lang yun. Oh, yan na lang yung natira. Ang daming nakain. Lahat sila maraming nakain. Inis na dito. And nanonood pa rin ako ng Korean drama. And ito pala yung dessert natin, guys. Ayan. So, ito yung itsura ng ating custard cake. Ayan, mini custard cake. Ayan. Siguro kain din ako ngayon. Nagutom ako after ko maghugas. So, ayan yung mga tira na dessert. Yung mga bata na dun sa kwarto namin, nanonood sila ng TV. Kasi nisak si OG Diaz. Kilala niyo si OG Diaz. Kasi nakikinig din ako nito, oh, 'di ba? Dalawa yung naka-play sa akin. Yung Korean tsaka yung kay OG. So, yan yung dessert na tira natin. So, tatakpan ko lang eto and kukuha ko ng konting dessert, yung custard cake. Then, yeah, yun na yung ating vlog for today, guys. Thank you! Ito yung regalo ko kay Jan, pagluluto. Wala akong regalo kay Jan kasi si Jan, wala naman siyang gusto talaga. Kahit anong tanong sa kanya, sabi niya, I don't need anything. Good night! Where's your PJ? Don't kiss me. Good night! Say good night to everyone. Close the vlog now.
Good night, guys. I hope you enjoyed
Look at here. Okay, again.
Bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed our vlogs.
Thank
I
you.
thank you for watching our vlog, and I hope I see you tomorrow. And please subscribe.
Please like.
Please subscribe if you haven't. See you on my next vlog. Bye.
Good night, guys. Good night, guys. Thank you. Sabi ko sa inyo kanina, kuha lang ako ng konting dessert. Yung custard cake. Yan na yung nabawas ko, guys. Pangatlo ko na to. Pangatlong slice na yan. Okay, good night.